Okay, today you're going to write another response. Miss Zadrima wants to see your response. So we did the Game Changers one on Friday, and I thought you did awesome. So we're really getting, the ingredients down, but Miss Zadrima wants to see all of the fifth graders do the same response. So we're doing one today, and we're going to do it with that testing software just so that you can get used to it and it can all be on one screen. Um, so I'm just going to walk you through a few steps I want you to do. Step one is read the story with stopping points. Okay, and you're going to use tools to make stopping points. So on here, you're going to be reading the story Fiji Mermaid. Okay, I want you to make stopping points. Now, you're going to use the test tools, but I need to use my video tools here. Okay, so I see. Oh, actually, maybe not. Okay, I see that there's different subtitles. So what I would maybe do is I would maybe read the first two paragraphs as a stopping point, stop and think, maybe highlight things, underline things, and then read 3 and 4. Okay? Then here, that's a long subtopic. So I'm going to probably split that up into little 2 paragraph chunks. All right? That's what I want you to do. Step one is make stopping points and read with those stopping points. Step two, you're going to read the question and highlight your pieces of evidence. So you're going to read this question, then you're going to come in. Let's see if I can move this sucker. Use your highlighter, and whatever your evidence is, like let's say it's this, it's not going to be, but let's say it is, highlight it. 2 pieces of evidence. Get your evidence highlighted before you start writing. Let's say it's this, highlight it. Okay? Then, step 3, plan your response. Now, there's a few things you can do to plan. One, I can give you scrap paper, you can draw the T-chart, and you can write out your plan. Step 2, you could kind of plan in this note. Step 3, you can just plan in your head. Okay, you have 3 options. Now, if you're planning in your head, you're thinking about your topic sentence, and then you're just remembering that when I have yellow evidence, I then have to say this shows, right? So that can be your plan, but like you have to remember, if you don't plan it out, that yellow evidence, you put it in there and then you say this proves, this shows. Then you put your next evidence, this proves, this shows. Step 4, you're going to write your response. Okay? So it's with 3, you're going to type it here. Boom. Now, very important step, step 5. Okay, let's get step 5 up on the screen because step 5 is a big one. Step 5, copy response and paste it into the document. Okay, that's how Miss Zadrima is going to read these, because if you submit it here, she doesn't get it. So you're going to write this, you're going to copy it and submit it into the document. And then you're going to go to the other question, you can go back and submit that one into the document. Okay? I'm going to talk to you more about this, but it's so many directions. I didn't want to have to sit there and tell you all of them. All right? I'll see you in a second.